In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a blog on Webflow from scratch, even if you're a complete beginner. Webflow makes it incredibly easy to launch a professional-looking blog without writing any code, and by the end of this video, you'll have your own blog site ready to customize and publish. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Webflow tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to webflow.com. Then log in to your Webflow account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Webflow dashboard. This is where all of your sites and projects live. From here, look at the top or side of the dashboard and click on Sites. This will show you all the websites connected to your workspace. Next, we're going to create a brand new site. On the Sites page, click on the New Site button. This tells Webflow that you want to start a new project instead of editing an existing one. When you click New Site, Webflow will take you to the Template Selection screen. On this screen, you'll see a variety of templates that Webflow offers. These templates are pre-designed layouts that save you a lot of time. To create a blog, click on the Templates option, and then look for the Blog and Editorial category. This category is specifically designed for blogs, articles, and content-focused websites. Once you're inside the Blog and Editorial section, scroll through the available templates and choose one that fits your style and goals. Don't worry too much about picking the perfect one right now, because you can customize everything later. When you've found a template you like, click on Select. After selecting your template, Webflow will ask you to name your site. This name is mainly for your own organization inside the Webflow dashboard, so choose something that helps you easily recognize your blog. For example, you can name it after your brand, niche, or project. Once you've entered the name, click on Create Site. Webflow will now take a few moments to generate your new blog using the template you selected. This process is automatic, and when it's done, your blog site will open inside the Webflow Designer. And just like that, your blog is ready. You'll see a fully built layout with blog pages, sample posts, and navigation already set up. From here, you can start customizing the design, editing text and images, and adding your own blog posts using Webflow's CMS. You can also adjust fonts, colors, and layouts to match your brand. This is the foundation of your Webflow blog, and you're now ready to start creating content and building your audience. If this video helped you understand how to create a blog on Webflow, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Webflow and website building tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.